Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to design an IQR outlier filter. The function will remove outlier based on interquartile range method, and it will replace the outlier with the median value of the raw signal. So let's begin. First of all, we will calculate the median of the raw signal. So median equals to, we know that NumPy has the library to calculate the mean. So NumPy dot median, and we will calculate the median of the raw data. Before that, we have to import the NumPy library. Before moving forward, we have to see how we can calculate the percentile and IQR. So IQR is actually the difference of Q3 from Q1. This Q1 is the 25th percentile and Q3 is the 75th percentile, while the lower range can be calculated using Q1 minus 1.5 IQR, and upper range is Q3 plus 1.5 IQR. So let's code for this. So the Q1 and Q3 will be numpy dot percentile of the raw data 25th and 75th. So this is how the percentile is calculated, and IQR equals to Q3 minus Q1, while lower range is equals to Q1 minus 1.5 times IQR, and upper range or higher range is equals to Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR. So now let's calculate the new data. And let us suppose we also want to see what index the outlier was on. So index equals to, let us define a for loop for I in range of length of the raw signal, and we have to see that if the raw data, ith value of the raw data is less than the lower range, or ith value of the raw data is greater than the higher range or upper range, which means that if the outlier will be somewhere here or somewhere here. So if it happens, new data should be appended with median value of the data. Else, and also we want to see the index, so we have to find it here and replace the index with I. Else just give us the new data as the previous one. Dot append ith value. So at the end we have to return new data and indexes, and we have to define return here. So you have to start the range from 0 up till length of the data. So this is how you can define an IQR outlier filter, and which will remove the outlier based on interquartile range and replace it with the median value. Let's try an example. So I have to import this function. So the name of the file is signal extraction. I will import all the functions, or I can just import IQR outlier filter. So let's try an example. Let's say x equals to 246 and let's say 56 3 9. So suppose this is our data and we are interested in detecting outlier and replacing it using IQR outlier filter. Let's call the function IQR outlier. So outlier filter, and I will give x because this is our raw data. So let's see what it returns. It returns is the 56 is replaced by 5 and it gives us the index 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you will have learned something from this tutorial, and more tutorials are coming. So please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.